Alright.
Devin Snoring.
At Air Alaska, safety is our #1 priority, and all of our pilots are highly trained professionals. So all you want to do as pilots out there, do not try this at home.
Northern Alaska. Home to the most isolated citizens in America.
One more time. Where'd the snoring go? It's all quiet.
On this episode,
Where'd the snoring go?
Quiet. Oh shit.
Wait. Oh.